Hello. Hi friends. In this video I'm going to explain, we have added a new feature in our code. Multiple people were requesting to have an auto trail as well. So we have added a feature of auto trail. First let me show you on Tradovate, how you can place the auto trail order. So you realize the quantity and all this kind of thing. And then we place a take profit value, stop loss value, and you select the auto trail and then you specify 3 value. Stop loss value, profit trigger and frequency. So first is profit trigger. Trigger is, let me show you. What is profit trigger? Amount of profit in price value. Before the auto trail, convert your stop to a trailing stop, whatever stop price you have placed or whatever stock price on which you place a stop loss order, so it would start getting trade. Once you make that particular profit amount of profit, then it would start trailing your order. And frequency is, let's say you are trading for NQM and NQM tick size is 0.25, so as soon as price move in your favor by 1 take or 25 cents, then it would trail the order, and the stop loss is trailing distance related to current price. So like whatever the current price is, and whatever dollar value you would put in, it would set. So let's take market moves $100 and you put a stop loss as a 5. So it would make your stop loss price as a 95. And let's say market move 105. Then it would make your stop loss price 100 because it's subtracting $5 for buy order. So in the previous video we have explained you buy alert and sell alert. So in the same alert format, you can pass the value of trail as well. So let's say if you want to trail the order, you would pass trail value. And if it is a 0, it's not going to place a trade order. It would place a simple stop order. And if the trail is a 1, then it would check these 3 fill. Then trail stop. So trail stop is a stop loss. You can see from there what is a stop loss. And then trail trigger is amount of profit in price before the auto trail converts your stop to a trailing stop. So trend trigger is this trigger or profit trigger. And third is trail frequency, like how much profit you make. So then your order will get activated. Basically, this is the feature which we have provided. So you can try with the trailing as well. And another feature which we have provided that's already in the Tradovate. We have exposed this particular feature over there. So you can add. So let's say if I want to set the daily loss, daily profit, if I make the loss to more than that, it's going to liquidate my account. And same for daily profit. If I make profit more than this, it's going to liquidate my account. Same we can set for weekly loss, or weekly profit, and whatever account you have, it's going to get listed over there. You can set it. And let's say you want to edit. You will simply click over there and you just edit this and you can save there. So that's going to get selected into your Tradovate account. And all is going to get tracked at the Tradovate site as well. So once that particular things happen, Tradovate is going to get squared off your position. And it's not going to take any new trade. So that kind of features which you could use for this. These are 2 features which we have provided, and if you want to see the other things too, I have put the link under the description as well and on the top as well. So you can watch that video. There we explain the complete Tradovate automation. Thank you. Thanks for watching.